Hi, today I will talk about the bestidea.com platform and its features. It's a co-working platform to select the best ideas and has two main activities, which are to insert innovative ideas and make them voted by others. Who we are? We are an innovative startup registered in the special section of the business register because we produce products with high technological value. We are the ideators and creators of the platform software. We are chosen by a university incubator, the StarCube of Padua, with which we won a tender from the Veneto region for the allocation of European funds. What is it for? It needs to help innovation in private and public companies. It needs to help people who find a need for which they search for a solution and people who have an innovative idea. The platform has already been developed and is online. Here you see the presentation page, where there are explanatory texts and animations, in order to make completely independent those who want to register to the platform and use it. Here instead you see the operational homepage in the version for the smartphone, which is diversified depending on the type of user. In the platform there are models including brainstorming for all or personal and video tutorials within each page. How much does this cost? Voting in any context is always free. When I want to publish ideas that can be viewed and voted by a group, a typical use for companies, the first month is free. After the first month, you pay a very small subscription fee. When it will be possible to publish ideas that can be viewed and voted by all users, this will be free, and this is instead a typical private use. What are the groups in thebestidea.com? Every user who pays for a subscription fee can create one or more groups of users already registered on the platform, entering their email address in the relevant format, typing it directly or using an Excel file. Only these users will be able to view and vote on the ideas published by the other members of the group, in order to operate confidentially, for example, within a company. The groups will be used, for example, to select the employees or customers that I want to involve in an activity, using one of the functions to be included among projects, needs, flashes, service, brainstorming, and business plans. Within each group, I can divide the members into two levels. The first contains the main members, and in the case of a company, they are normally the employees, and what they publish can be seen and voted on by all members of the group. The second level contains the members for confidential ideas, and in the case of a company, they are normally the customers. And the ideas they publish can be seen by all the main members, but not by the second level members, that is, the customers, unless one of the main members, that is, one of the employees, doesn't authorize the other second level members to view that single publication. It's used to prevent the publications entered by one of the customers from being viewed by all customers if he speaks poorly of a product or of the company. On the other hand, it may be possible to authorize the publication individually, which it deems appropriate that other customers should also see. These groups can also be used to publish something as a team, and in the formats for publication of projects, flashes, service, and business plans, there is a checkbox that, if clicked, allows you to choose the team which shares the merits of that publication. This possibility is used, for example, in the case of design thinking, to divide the participants into teams of 5-6 people for a first phase of activities and selection of ideas within the team, and then continue presenting the ideas they have selected to the other teams for the second phase of the activities and subsequent selection of the final ideas. It can also be used to enter projects, studies in teams, or complete business plan into the platform to present an innovative idea, perhaps patented, or a new activity to be financed.